Hi everyone, I'm Michelle, and today on Couch Therapy, it's a Littles haul. It's like a little shopping haul. We've got shoes and we've got a handbag. I feel like I went on a mini shopping spree. I found this is called Real Littles handbags, and it's a little handbag and it has all these little accessories in it. I am now obsessed with miniatures. And then I got 4 packages. I bought everything that they had at Walmart. They are little shoes, and I have 4 of them. So we will get into it. Let's open up the little miniature handbag first. So this is Real Littles handbags. This is the only one that I've seen there, so I would have gotten more if they had more. Get my trusty knife and see what we got. I gotta put that up. Oh, that's cute, and it has a little you can use like a keychain. That would be really cute. That would hold something. Let's see. The little thing sparkles move. Let's see what's inside. Is that Velcro or a snap? Little button. Bunch of goodies in there. All right, first thing first. Oh, a little camera. Oh my gosh, you push the button and look. It's a kitty cat pops out of there. Oh, that is so cute. What else do we have? We got a little water bottle. The lid's kind of weird on that, but RL for Real little water bottle. Little headphones. Actually pretty soft. What else do we have? Oh my gosh, a little nail file, and it's actual nail file. What else do we got in here? And what's on the bottom? This looks like a little coin purse. Is that what that is? Is a little coin purse? Miniature bag with inside of another bag. Get it open. It's like a little, yeah, it's like a little coin bag, one of the pinch kind. That's cute. It might hold a quarter. Maybe put my water bottle. No, water bottle won't fit in there. Headphones. Oh. And looks like there's one more thing in the bottom. Let me see what's in there. Okay, a little necklace. Is that it? Little miniature necklace, a little star or a little charm. That's cute. So yeah, that is adorable. Little handbag. It's got a little keychain on it. I'm gonna put everything back in here so we don't lose it and my dogs don't get it. Cute little, yeah, this was the only one that they had, so I just grabbed it. I wish they had had more because I know there's other things that you can collect. Looks like miniature nail polishes, miniature iPhone, miniature sunglasses. Okay, that little star thing was a charm. It says limited edition diamond ring. I don't know if it's a real diamond ring, but so I'm gonna snap this back up and then we will open the Real Littles shoes and see what we got. That is just cute. These are Real Littles and they're just called shoes. So I don't know how many we'll get. I'm gonna find the easiest way to get into it. I don't see an easy way. So we're just gonna tear into it. It has a little shoe box. This is Real Little Shoes. Just cute. How many can you collect? On the sides, it doesn't tell you. It's got like a question mark. So let's open it up and see what we got. Does it just open? How do we open? Little piece of tape. I want to kind of save the boxes. I don't want to destroy the boxes. Okay. Now we'll open it up. Let's see what we got. They're all wrapped in plastic. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're like little rainbow ones. That is just adorable. Look at that. Oh, the shoelaces came out. Okay, my fault. Of course, I'm holding them up by shoelaces. Let me see here. They come on the little keychain, which is adorable. Of course, I have to put the shoelaces back in because I'm the one who pulled on them. That would be interesting. Those are cute. And it looks like all the boxes, oh, no, the boxes are actually different. Okay, so let's cut the tape. Still get the purple wrapping. Oh my gosh, look. Don't want to grab by the shoelaces this time. These are like little rainbow shoes. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Those are adorable. They're pretty hard plastic, so look at that. They're adorable, adorable, adorable. So that's number 2. For the third one. And these were, I found these on clearance, believe it or not, at Walmart. They were $2 a pair. This is like, this box is like the first box, so I hope we don't get a duplicate. Okay, I want to keep the boxes intact. Oh, looks like a different pair. Purple ones. I want a pair of these like in real life. Look at those. Little purple sneakers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. How many times am I gonna say so cute? Okay, last one. Oh. This box is, well, it's kind of different. The writing is up top this time. Looks like there's 25 different pairs. I haven't gotten like a card or anything that tells me which styles you can collect. Let's see. Oh, no repeats. These are kind of pink and white. Oh, I am just in love with these. They have like a mint green and pink on them. Those are so cute too. But those are all our little tennis shoes we got. Those are so cute. Plus the handbag with all our accessories. It was like a little mini shopping spree. Real Little Shoes, Real Little handbag. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.